In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Salesforce public calendar. This straightforward process will allow you to effectively manage and share important dates and events within your organization in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. First, navigate to the Setup area of your Salesforce account. Once there, utilize the search bar located at the top of the Setup page. Type Public Calendars and Resources. As you're typing, you should see a drop-down of options. Select Public Calendars and Resources from that list. This feature allows you to create calendars that are accessible to other members of your organization, making it easier to coordinate and communicate important dates. Next, once you are on the Public Calendars and Resources page, look for the New button and give it a click. This will initiate the process of creating your brand new public calendar. It's important to clearly identify what this calendar will entail, so when prompted, fill in the calendar name. Be sure that the name is descriptive and intuitive for the intended audience. Also, fill in the description section. This is your opportunity to provide more context or details about the calendar's purpose and the kind of events it will track. Now, pay attention to the active checkbox. Clicking this is crucial if you want the calendar to be operational immediately after creation. If you don't check this box, the calendar won't be live for others to see or use, which might be fine if you're still in the planning stages. After completing these details, it's time to lock it all in by clicking the Save button. At this point, your new public calendar is officially created in Salesforce, but there are a few more steps to ensure it functions as needed. Return to the list of calendars, and now find the one you've just created. Click on it to open its settings. You'll see an option for sharing, which is a critical element for a public calendar. This setting determines who in your organization can view or manage the calendar. Click Sharing to open the options for permissions and accessibility. Once you're in the sharing settings, decide who should have access to this calendar. Depending on your needs, you can choose individuals, roles, or entire groups. Choose wisely to ensure that those who need the information can access it while maintaining appropriate security controls. Finally, after setting your preferred access levels, make sure to hit Save. This ensures all your preferences are secured and the calendar is ready for use. And there you have it. Your Salesforce public calendar is created, configured, and ready for action, empowering your team to collaborate and plan more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward for you.